Installation of LaserMen 1325 Hybrid Laser Cutting Machine. Thanks for ordering LaserMen 1325 Hybrid Laser Cutting Machine. Here is the machine installation guide. Please notice that machine configurations and accessories in the video may be different from your machine. Prepare water chiller, air pump, exhaust fan and pipe, distilled water, oxygen gas, power strip, Allen wrench, screwdriver, scissors, water funnel, toolbox, combined laser tube, computer or laptop next to the machine. Combined laser tube installation. 1. Open the cover of the laser tube box. Place the combined laser tube gently to the placeholder of the beam. 2. Screw both ends of the combined laser tube to the beam. 3. Connect the laser power supply low voltage wire to the combined laser tube negative pole. 4. Connect the inlet water pipe and the outlet water pipe to the matching ports of the combined laser tube. 5. Connect the laser power supply high voltage wire to the combined laser tube positive pole. 6. Lock the cover of laser tube box. USB cable connection. 1. Open the electric control box. 2. Cut the ties and get the USB cable. Connect the computer to the machine with the USB cable. 3. Lock the electric control box. Water chiller installation. 1. Connect the water chiller inlet to the machine outlet. 2. Connect the water chiller outlet to the machine inlet. 3. Open the water chiller filling hole. Put a funnel and pour distilled water into the chiller. Observe the water level during water injection. The water level should be in the middle of yellow range. 4. Screw up the cap. 5. Open the side cover of the machine. 6. Cut the ties and get the water protection cable. 7. Connect the water protection cable to the water chiller. Then lock the side cover of the machine. 8. Connect the water chiller to power. Exhaust fan installation. 1. Connect the exhaust fan air inlet and machine air outlet with an windpipe. You can cut the air pipe if it's too long. 2. Fix another windpipe to the exhaust fan air outlet. 3. Connect the exhaust fan to power. Oxygen gas installation. 1. Connect the gas pressure gauge to the oxygen cylinder. 2. Connect the pneumatic pressure regulator to the oxygen cylinder. 3. Connect the oxygen cylinder to the machine. 4. Open the oxygen cylinder and adjust the high pressure gauge and low pressure gauge of the oxygen gas to the set value. 5. Adjust the pneumatic pressure regulator to the set value. Machine testing. 1. Connect the laser machine to power. 2. Voltage for the machine is single phase 220 voltage or 110 voltage. Please refer to the contract specifications or consult LaserMen. 3. Switch on the water chiller. 4. Deactivate the machine emergency stop button. Switch on machine power, laser power and lamp switch. Check if the machine is normal. 5. Machine installation has been done. Please go ahead with mirror alignment.